Hello, this is Pepuri. In this video, I'll be walking you through the process of setting up Microsoft Sentinel. I'll start from the point where an Azure subscription is already in place and proceed only up to the basic activation of Sentinel. When you hear Sentinel, many of you probably think of a SIEM. Rather than focusing on the core SIEM features, I want to explore how to connect Microsoft 365 logs, visualize them, and gain deeper insights. This won't be one-time video. I plan to create a series covering each essential component step by step. What you see on the screen is an architecture diagram for Sentinel that I created myself. Think of it as an M365 centric architecture. Please note that this diagram may change slightly as I continue studying and refining the setup. First, signals from Active Directory are captured by Microsoft Defender for Identity. Device-related signals are handled by Microsoft Defender for Endpoint or Purview DLP. Email signals from Exchange Online are captured by Microsoft Defender for Office 365 MDO. And then signals from Office 365 other cloud apps are captured by Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps MDCA. Identity-related signals in the cloud are captured by Enter ID protection. These Defender signals are sent to Sentinel through connector. Some connectors are built-in, while others require custom connector using API. My goal is to eventually connect all of these signals, though I want to cover everything in this single video. I'll now go ahead and activate Sentinel. First, go to portalazure.com and search for Sentinel. In my case, I only have an Azure subscription at this point, no resource groups or workspaces yet. So I'll create a resource group, give it a name, and then create a Logo Analytics workspace. Enter the information required to create the resource group and the Logo Analytics workspace. Once validation is complete, click Create. Logo Analytics has been created. You can think of Logo Analytics as the database for Sentinel. After the workspace is ready, go back to Sentinel, click Create, and add the workspace. Now Sentinel is activated and linked to the Logo Analytics workspace. My main interest is connecting Microsoft 365 logs and managing them efficiently. Previously, you would go to the Content Hub in Sentinel to add connectors, but now many of these features are integrated into Microsoft Defender. So I'll go to the Defender portal and enable Microsoft Defender XDR. This process takes a little time. If you are using Microsoft 365 E5, you get additional benefits. Certain logs like Azure Activity Logs and Office 365 audit logs are always free. Other logs have daily free quotas such as 5 MB per user per day for specific data types. So even if you don't have E5, enabling Sentinel can still be cost-effective for basic log collection. Since provisioning takes a long time, I will proceed on the Azure page for now. If you refresh in the Content Hub within Sentinel on Azure, you will see the available content. For simple connection test, search for Microsoft Entra ID and proceed with the installation. Data connectors, Microsoft Entra ID, Open Connector page. Select the log to import and apply changes. After a certain period of time, log collection will proceed, and you will be able to see tables for each item. You can switch to KQL mode and check the logs while modifying the queries. You can check the logs to see who accessed from which IP. In the next video, I will cover how to connect overall M365 logs, including Defender XDR, and take on the challenge of visualizing this with BI. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you.